So very excited to be going back to France next year, May 5th to 12th, right outside of Toulouse. Again, just a different area than I went into 2026. And this is going to be really exciting. I have not gone to this venue before. I'm partnering up with Uptrek once again. And this is a venue they've had for a while. A lot of fellow instructors have gone to, and a lot of people have said it's a really great venue to go to, and I'm really excited. They have this really cute watchtower that looks like right out of a fairy tale. So we'll be going to some great excursions, doing some plein air. We'll be going to a town called Cassier, and we're doing it's along the river. We'll be doing plein air there, walking around, checking out the sights, eating some lunch. Going to Albi, another beautiful town with some gardens, and the Toulouse-Lautrec Museum, which is going to be really exciting. It's a great artist that I love, does those beautiful, famous posters that you see. And, just having experience hanging out with people who love to paint watercolor. I'll be teaching you the basics, going over that, and then we're doing some, like I said, plein air, urban sketching, painting like things like on the property. And usually this time of year is like fantastic weather. So I'm really excited about it. And of course, French food. I'm sorry. The butter, the bread, there's nothing beats that. Plus the other foods that the French make. I love going back to France. I would go back every year if I could. I actually would live there if I could. But I love it. So we'll be there during Mother's Day. So this is a great opportunity to come with your daughter or grandmother or, sister-in-laws and all that kind of fun stuff, or just friends celebrating Mother's Day together. I actually did a retreat in 2024 in UK for Mother's Day, and we had such a great time. So this is the perfect opportunity, perfect gift to give yourself for Mother's Day, and perfect time of year to go to France because it is not really wet and the flowers are in bloom and it's not super cold. So it's just phenomenal. I think we have a great time. So as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to Uptrek. They will be more than happy to answer all of them. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the slides and some of the things and what it looks like and where we're going so you can get a better understanding where we're going to be. And I'm really excited to go. I love going to France, and I would go, like I said, go back anytime. So I hope to see you there, and I hope that you come to France with me. And remember, it's May 5th to the 12th, 2027. Check out the slides. I told you it was like a fairy tale. This 5-acre estate features a main house, a cozy guest house, a repurposed barn transformed into a well-lit indoor workshop space. You're going to have so much fun painting here. Just look at that. We can just paint that. It's beautiful estate. Fun, sprawling gardens and a fruit orchard. There is a pool and hot tub, but I don't know if we'll be swimming that time of year. But in case you want to take a dip, it should be available. Lots of natural light in this space for painting. I'm so excited to paint here. Lots of beautiful natural lighting in the bedrooms. Look at all those wooden beam ceilings. So beautiful. You just feel like refreshed every day you wake up in a space like this. I know I would love something like this. So many cool rooms, some that are shared rooms, some that are single rooms, but so much like light that comes in here. It just makes you feel warm and cozy and refreshed. I just love it. Very, very pretty. Each room is unique and beautiful in its own way. And then we have beautiful indoor seating area for our food. And the food, of course, amazing French food. And just look at the food. I love the French food. It's amazing. It's always delicious and tasty. So you can't go wrong when you go to France if you're going to have any kind of food whatsoever. It's always amazing. And I know that this place is supposed to be absolutely amazing. Going to beautiful towns. This is the river I was talking about in Carters. Going to the market. Going to the river by Albi. So beautiful. We have so many opportunities to paint some plein air, like urban sketching and florals and markets and the river with the bridges. Fantastic opportunities if you want to do something like that, urban sketching. Like I said, we get to go to the Toulouse-Lautrec Museum. There's beautiful churches, beautiful, gorgeous gardens in Albi. So many beautiful things to paint. Where do we begin? We're going to have so much fun here. So if you're interested, like I said, click the link below and learn more about it and book your spot while you can before it's gone. And as always, reach out to Uptrek with any questions that you have. I'm so looking forward to this retreat. You're going to create so many beautiful memories here, lifelong memories that, I don't know, you just can't get anywhere else. So hope to see you there.